Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Sasha, a girl that has a passion for making sweets, pastries, and just love baking or anything sweet overall. Yeah, welcome. It's so good to have you here. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button because it helps your girl a lot. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a like if you like this video. So enough jibber jabbing. Oh, I just had to say came on natural today, no eyebrows, because as you know, if you're a real one, your girl didn't born with the eyebrows, you're gonna have the eyebrows, so I have to just be thankful for what I have. Okay, so yes, as you know guys, in the previous video that I did, I made what is called a smoothie, but on the thicker side, and you use less liquids. So I'm going to try that today. I said I was going to do the chocolate smoothie bowl that Twin Coast did on their channel, but I don't have the honey that they use, and they use a special type of cocoa powder, papaya, is that how it's pronounced? I forgot its name. It's still similar to the cocoa powder, so I was going to substitute it with cocoa powder, scratch that now, and I'm going to just do my own by using papaya and bananas and some milk. So yeah, let's get this show. If you're interested, let's get this show on the road. So you all know the gist already. Your girl is tall, so you probably won't see me, and I have my good old hubs here, the cheap blender, not no Vitamix, the girl. So yeah, let me get the fruits now and we can get started. Alright, stop embarrassing yourself. So here I got my frozen fruits, of course, got my papaya and my bananas. You just gotta eyeball it, no specific measurement, because this was supposed to be 4 bananas and I took some out to make some strawberry smoothie. So yeah. Then I have some milk, you know, nothing special, you can use whatever milk you want. This is some powdered milk which I mix and put into this nice cute glass vessel that my grandaunt has. I hope she don't make that off of me. So yeah, first off, the last time I feel like I used too much milk, so I am going to just use like a splash, that, you know, I don't want to, you know, the blender, so if anything we can always add more. Then my banana, of course, them well, oh my gosh, and then my papaya. Oh gosh, people, you know this is gonna work. You know what, let me just splatter some at the top. Okay, put this on, and then I'm gonna press ice crush, because as I said, it gives me more to work with, and the blender automatically think of ice, so it will probably go a bit easier on it. So here goes nothing. Okay. Okay, so I plugged it out. I'm gonna take my spoon as usual and plug it in the back. Guys, it's gonna work. I'm going to add some more of the milk. Ah no, it's the move. didn't think it's good. Wait, let's see if you guys can. Guys, like, look at that. It's coming along. Okay, but you see, the consistency is there, but it needs to blend more because there's bigger chunks of papaya in there. Patience is key. When I see no chunks of papaya, then I'll leave it alone. I think I should take it out now, you know, but there's still, you see guys, there's chunks of papaya. Yeah, I think this is it. I think I'm gonna go with this. If chunks left, I'm gonna just have it same way. Guys, don't mind my sugar bottle, just for you guys. So I thought you guys would have a better view if I pour it up here. So yeah, turn out the brightness a bit more. Okay, no coconut bowls today. So I'm gonna take it off and let's see. Ooh, look at that, guys. Ooh, this is what I'm talking about. This is a smoothie bowl. Let me see if I can do the swirly thing now. Ooh, look at that. Ha! The smoothie bowl. Looks good, guys. I'm going to take a picture of it. I'm tired. I was outside trying to get the best thumbnail and succeeded, I believe. So time for the taste test. So it kind of look a bit, the milk is still good, right guys? Like, look at it. It's thick, it's not dropping. It wants to drop, but it ain't dropping. So I think I succeeded in making a smoothie bowl with my cheap blender. Woo. Okay, ready. This is it. Guys, I am not just saying this because I created it, because usually you'd want to say your thing tastes good and not bad, right? But it's God's fruit, and when you combine them and make different flavor, it's like amazing. Like, that could be your ice cream, an healthier version. I didn't know that banana and papaya would work so good together. Plus the sweetness of the banana complements the papaya. I could go into details, but guys, you should try this at home. It's very healthy, first and foremost, especially in these times when you need to boost your immune system, your body. Guys, don't mind me, I'm still tired from that. I have shortness of breath, so stay with me. It boosts your immune system, of course, healthy, you know, tasty, delicious. I could go on and on. You guys need to try these smoothie bowls that's circulating on the internet. Like, there are so much challenges and different food items, but go for the healthier kind, especially in these times, because it is worth it and you're benefiting from these. So yeah, thank you for joining. Tell me what you think. How does it look to you? You can't taste it unless you try it, but tell me what you think by commenting down in the comment section. I'm leaning like this because the fridge, why can they running up things and correct our video. The fridge is beside me and I can't really like stand straight over here, okay? So stay with me. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and tell me what you like me to do next or try next. I'll probably do more smoothie bowls because there's so much variety of fruits out there you can combine and make this delicious smoothie bowl. So yeah, until next time, bye guys, and thank you guys, all those that are subscribed to me. Thank you for the 400 and all of you and counting. I really appreciate it. Thank you for the support, thank you for the like, thank you for commenting and giving me your feedback. I really appreciate those. So yeah, until next time, bye guys.